I am going to get my Sharpie and I am going to outline her eyes. The ultra fine point Sharpie. Those lines that I made originally are all gone, which is fine. They're supposed to. All right. Look at where you're going. Okay. Now her eye is better. She looks better. We'll do the other side. Slow and steady. Ooh, I got a little wiggly over there. Can't do anything about it. Actually, I can. I can go in there and put some more shading. Once again, it's hard to get two things the same. The Sharpie is permanent, right? Better be. I need to fix that little area right there. It's probably not even noticeable to you, but I got a little bit more color left there that hasn't dried out. And so fixing that, I actually covered up the black, but that's okay because I can go back and add more over there. She's so fine, this girl of mine. All right, there you go for now. So let me go get ready, do a couple of things, and I shall return. Hi there, it's Annie Lou, I'm back. All right, it is time to do her mouth. And I will be honest, I'm a little nervous. So what I did is, I got a piece of tracing paper, and I traced out her mouth onto the tracing paper so that I can get an idea of what I would like to do. So here are her lips, and you know, I traced them on and they're not that straight, but what am I going to do? And I actually decided on this one over here. So what I am going to do is I'm going to start out with my pencil. I'm going to start there. I'm going to start there and just have them meet in the middle with a little bit of an angle. A little bit of an angle. So here we go. Yeah, I think that's good. Get my Sharpie, and I am going to outline all of her lip here. Let's see. I don't know if you can see me or not. Watch where you're going, not where you've been. All right. I think she looks fine. Not too bad. I was nervous for nothing, right? Nervous for nothing. Here's my palette. I am going to add some highlights to her lips and to her eyeshadow area. And in order to do that, I just need some white. I am getting low on white. There you go.